Hi, my name is Carmen, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about PrimeBiome before buying it. I have important alerts, so stay until the end to find out. The first thing you need to know, be careful where you buy it. PrimeBiome is sold only on the official website. To help you out, I left the official link below in the video description. Did you know that your skin and gut are more connected than you think? And what if I told you there's an easy way to improve both at the same time without expensive or complicated treatments? That's the power of PrimeBiome. PrimeBiome is not just another supplement. It combines powerful ingredients that renew your cells, improving both your skin and gut. Imagine achieving amazing skin while your digestive system works better. And the best part, it was designed to regenerate your cells, making your skin firmer, healthier, and naturally radiant. And of course, all of this is 100% safe with no side effects. PrimeBiome works at the root of the problem, balancing your gut and leaving your skin flawless. You've probably heard that a healthy gut reflects in beautiful skin, right? The natural ingredients in PrimeBiome do exactly that. They restore your gut microbiome, improve digestion, and enhance the absorption of essential nutrients for your skin. The result? A natural glow and vitality from the inside out. Now, you might be wondering, but does it really work? The answer is a big yes. Hundreds of women have already used PrimeBiome, and the results have been amazing. Firmer, rejuvenated skin, and a balanced gut. And the best part, this supplement has already been tested by many people, and the results are fast and visible. I've been using it for 6 months, and my skin feels as soft as velvet. Now my gut works perfectly. Many of my friends ask me what treatment I'm doing. I tell them I'm using PrimeBiome. It's the only treatment that has given me real results. And here's an important detail. You can try PrimeBiome risk-free. If you don't like it, you get your money back. Now, a final warning, only buy from the official website. This ensures you get the original product and avoid scams. The link to the official website is in the video description. Well, we've reached the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you next time.